Instrument installation. First, position the equipment properly and lock all 4 casters. Connect the compressed air supply. Attach the air supply to the left inlet of the pressure regulator filter. Recommended air pressure, 0.4 MPa 0.5 MPa. Connect the exhaust hose to the rear vent outlet. Test panel holder installation. Align the quick change clamp with the mounting holes on the holder. Then tighten by rotating the quick release lever clockwise. Standard configurations include magnetic and vacuum suction holders. Magnetic holders suit ferrous substrates, steel/iron plates. Vacuum holders are for non-ferrous substrates. Connect power and rotate the emergency stop button clockwise. Turn on the rear power switch to activate the display. Panel mounting. Place substrates against the holder for adhesion. Before using the vacuum sample frame, enter the manual interface and switch on the vacuum. Activate the suction valve behind the holder. Secure substrates onto the suction cups. Note: covering used holders with scrap panels to prevent paint contamination. Material loading. Recommended viscosity, 20s flow time, Iwata cup. Enter manual interface and select Sprayers move to middle. This centers the spray gun and cup. Open the front chamber door. Remove the locking ring and open the lid. Insert the disposable cup with paint sample. Resecure the lid. Reinstall the locking ring, ensure tight seal. Program setup. Select Program from the left menu. Access Program List to view/edit programs. The system stores 100+ spray programs. Select the corresponding program and then click the Load button to modify the parameters. Section, up to 4 unique spray segments. Direction of frame, horizontal/vertical positioning. Atomizing bar. The larger the pressure is, the smaller the sprayed coating particles are suggested, 0.25 MPa. Sprayer bar. Controls the spray pattern shape of the paint gun. When pressure is set to 0, the spray pattern is nearly circular. As pressure increases, the spray pattern becomes elliptical and narrows progressively. Suggested, 0.25 MPa. Feeding bar. The feeding pressure of gun jet coating. Suggested is 0.1 MPa. Speed refers to the movement speed of the spray gun during the painting process. Suggested, 250 mm per second. Spray spacing. The distance between the spray gun's reciprocating movements, left-right or up-down, within the set spraying area. If set too wide, it may cause missed spray lines. Suggested, 60 mm. Frame position. According to the need, the distance between the sample frame and the gun jet is usually 100 mm to 300 mm. Interval set. The interval between 2 working conditions is generally set as 3-4s. Setting area. Click to reset the spray area. In the zone setup section at the bottom left, click Move to Start Point to view the current spray gun starting position. Long press the start button until it turns blue. Use the directional keys to adjust the spray gun's current position. Click Confirm to save the current position as the start point. Repeat the same steps to set the end point. The spraying area will automatically display the calculated coverage based on the start and end points. Repeat times. Repeat times of spraying conditions in this phase. When the repeat times is set as 0, the program skips this phase. Spraying mode. The spraying mode setting area is located at the lower right of this interface. Nozzle cap orientation affects spray pattern. The direction of the spray gun's nozzle cap influences the spraying method. To adjust, rotate the nozzle cap clockwise to loosen and reposition it. After program setup, set the number of cycles for the current program in the cycle count setting. Click Save to store program configurations. Select the home icon in the lower right corner to access the detection interface. The monitoring screen displays the currently selected program parameters. Click Start to initiate spraying. The gun will move to the starting position. Click Pause during operation to temporarily halt spraying. Click Start again to resume the remaining program. After completion, the system auto-returns the gun to the standby position, lower left. Other interfaces. Click Manual to access control functions. Manual mode contains spraying and positioning submenus. Adjust atomization/fan/feed pressures in the spray menu. Click Spray for manual activation to observe spray pattern. Toggle between horizontal/vertical holder orientation. Turn work light on/off via lighting control. Monitor real-time air total pressure. Enable vacuum suction when using vacuum holders. Set duration in cleaning menu to activate purge cycle. The spray gun is continuously turned on for spraying. Material cup position centers the assembly for servicing. Orientation controls. Jog mode adjusts gun position incrementally. Manually reposition the test panel holder. Motor reset returns all components to home position. Click the fan switch to manually turn the fan. Access settings for configuration. Adjust alarm thresholds, language preferences. Access events for configuration. View error history and diagnostic data. Cleaning. Spray gun cleaning. First open and remove the cup locking ring. Fill the cup with cleaning solvent. Retighten the cup cover. In the Manual Interfaces cleaning menu, set the timer duration. Click Start Cleaning. The gun will begin spraying cleaning fluid. If not clean, add more solvent and repeat. Continue until discharged liquid appears clear. Cup cleaning. Material cup cleaning. Remove locking ring and cover. Loosen the cup fixing collar with hex wrench. Remove the cup for cleaning. Filter replacement. Open the left side panel. Remove and replace both exhaust filters from the test panel holder. At the spray machine's front door, remove the fixing screws below the front door. Take out and replace the intake air filter. Waste tray cleaning. Open the front chamber door. Pull the handle to remove the waste tray for cleaning.